Plants are very useful to us. Do you know how? Click on each label to know more about how plants are useful to us. Plants make oxygen. It is a gas which we need to breathe. Wood from plants also helps us to make furniture. The chairs and desks are made from wood provided by plants. We eat plants. All the vegetables that we eat come from plants. Humans also use trees to make shelters. Wood from trees is used to make parts of a house like walls and doors. Straw is used to make parts of a house like the roof. Humans cut down trees for wood. Wood is used to make fire, which is used for cooking food and keeping us warm. Some plants are also used as medicine. These plants contain things that make us feel better when we are ill. Even paper is made from trees. Wood pulp from trees is used to make paper. The cotton plant is used for making clothes.